Bonjour, this is Learn French with Frida. Bienvenue. Today we will continue learning about the possessive pronouns. We have already done the possessive pronoun my in French on the video above, where we said that it has three forms: ma, mon, and me. We have also done the possessive pronoun your, which we said also takes three forms: ta, ton, and te. If you have missed any of those videos, I have attached them up there. You can go back and relearn. Today we will be learning about the possessive pronoun his or her. For example, his brother, her sister, his pencil, her house, his song, her mother, all that in French. This one also takes three forms. We have sa, son, and c'est. Sa is used when we are talking about a feminine noun. Son is used when we are talking about a masculine noun, and c'est is used when the noun we are referring to is in plural. Let's have some examples of when we use the possessive pronoun sa. We have said it when the noun is a feminine noun. Here are the examples. His apple or her apple will be sa pomme. Sa pomme. Her pear or his pear will be sa poire. Sa poire. His mango or her mango will be sa mangue. Sa mangue. Let's now have examples on when we use son. We have said that we use son when the noun is masculine, and in this case we are using fruits. So let's have those examples. His or her avocado will be son avocat. Son avocat. His or her lemon will be son citron. Son citron. His or her pineapple will be son ananas. Son ananas. Let's now have examples on when we use c'est. We have said that we use c'est when the noun is in plural, whether it's feminine or masculine. If you want to say his or her peaches, the noun now is in plural, we will say ses pêches. Ses pêches. If you want to say his or her oranges, you'll say ses oranges. Ses oranges. And if you want to say his or her grapes, you will say ses raisins. Ses raisins. I hope you have now understood how we use the possessive pronoun his or her in French. We look at the noun. If the noun is feminine, we use sa. If the noun is masculine, we use so. And if the noun is in plural form, we use c'est. Having said that, let me now give you a practice activity that you're going to do at your own time. You will write it down in your books, and when you're done, you take a nice picture and send it to my email, frenchwithfrida@gmail.com. Here is the practice activity. Fill in the dashes with either sa, son, or c'est. Fill in those dashes there with either sa, son, or c'est. Banane, abricot, prune, fraise, cerise, pastèque. Banane is a banana. Abricot is an apricot. Prune are plums. Fraise are strawberries. Cerise is a cherry. And pastèque is a watermelon. So write either sa or son or say on those dashes. Once you're done, take a nice picture and send it to my email, frenchwithfrida@gmail.com. I will be so happy to mark for you and give you some feedback. Next time, we will be learning the plural possessive pronouns. Don't miss out. Please subscribe to my channel, Learn French with Frida, if you have not yet done so that you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Share this video widely with your network so that other people can also learn some French. Au revoir for now. See you in the next video.